how to fix Instagram does not have photo access on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it easy and quick. If you have an iPhone, just go to App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if that doesn't fix your problem, restart your phone and uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And if you have an Android, go to settings, apps, and apps again, type here Instagram, click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then click permissions and give it this permissions storage and camera, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.